Building a website doesn't have to be complicated. With Mixo.io, you can create stunning websites in just a few clicks, no coding or design skills required. In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Mixo.io step by step. Let's jump right in. First, head over to www.mixo.io. This is the platform that will help you turn your ideas into a professional website in seconds. On the homepage, you'll see a field asking for your business or website idea. Simply type in a brief description of your idea. For example, I want to build a website to grow my fitness business. Click Continue button. Next, there are 4 options for the purpose of creating a website. Choose the one that suits you. But in this case, I will choose to collect subscribers. Once you're done, click Generate Site. Now sit back and watch as Mixo does the hard work for you. In about 60 seconds, you'll have a fully functional website preview, complete with text, images, and a layout tailored to your idea. Here it is, the professional look of the website you want. Once the website is generated, you can review it and make changes. Click on any text or image to customize it to better fit your brand. Let's try to change page name by clicking on the Customize Brand button. I'll try to rename it to Fitness Indonesia. And let's change the logo too by pressing the site logo. Here you can change it with the logo you have prepared and upload it, or by looking for references on Unsplash. In this case, I'm trying to find some interesting logo reference. When you found it, select it and ta-da, your logo has changed. You can also adjust the color scheme and layout to match your vision. When you're satisfied with the look of your website, click on Save and Continue. You'll need to sign up or log in to continue. Mixo offers free and premium plans depending on the features you need. In this case, I choose monthly billing and the growth site package. After that, you will be directed to the payment details page. Here you will be shown the details of your order, and you are also asked to complete your personal data and card information. When finished, you will be given a successful notification. Then press the Continue to your site button. And now you are on the dashboard page, where on this page you can see the preview of your website, as well as manage, change, and add anything to your website. For example, let's try to add a new page to our website by pressing this button. Here we are shown some sample templates. Let's try to use the pricing page template. Here you can describe the pricing scheme, along with what the customer will get, then press the Generate Page button. And within seconds, the page we wanted was created. And the following is the display of the pricing page that we created earlier. If it is in accordance with what we want, then press the Publish button in the upper right corner. Oops, email verification is required in order to publish our website. Let's press the Publish button again. Hold on, wait a minute. And bam! Our website has been published. You'll get a free Mixo subdomain, but you can also connect your own custom domain if you prefer. Let's click on the website link and see what our website looks like. Wow. Professional-looking website. Mixo really helps us as ordinary people to be able to create and design websites. Without the need to learn to be able to code websites, we can add and change the content and elements in our website manually with ease, or even with the help of AI. Some of the key benefits of using Mixo.io include its fast AI-powered setup, mobile-friendly designs, and built-in tools for collecting customer feedback or leads. It's perfect for startups and small businesses looking to get online quickly. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you can have your own professional website with Mixo.io.